Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenel Narcisse. And for today's video, I'm going to feature to you an unboxing of an item that I ordered from the United States. And I have here with me the package. So we're going to unbox and we will see what is inside. And I ordered this item last month, December, on the first week of December, and this is a Red Wing shoes or Red Wing boots. This is the model 3190 in 8.5D regular. This is a Chelsea boots in amber harness leather. This will be my second amber harness Red Wing boots. The first one was my very first Iron Ranger 8111, which is the amber harness in Iron Ranger. So we're going to unbox this item. We'll open it. And this is how it looks. The reason why I ordered these Chelsea boots is for me to have the first boots without any shoelaces. And I ordered a 33 ounces, the breaker of leg, from Soso Clothing or Soso Brothers. And I've been using it for the past days already. And this will be an appropriate boots for my Soso Clothing 33 ounces, the breaker of leg, Selvedge Denim. So as a description of these boots, of course, it has garter on the side and a Christy sole on the sole. This is brown, light brown, as compared to the white from other Mach 2 boots from Red Wing shoes. So yeah, it has a pull tab at the back. Nice stitching. Of course, it is a Goodyear welt boots, which means that you can replace the sole once you need to replace the sole with another brand new outsole. And if I need to decide to place a midsole on these Chelsea boots, I can have it done with a professional cobbler. So this is a resolable boots without any shoe laces, and it is very nice. The smell is really good. I like the smell of a brand new leather boots. So this is how it looks. Good looking boots. This is actually a work boots, Chelsea boots. It's not pointed unlike the other Chelseas that you can see in the market. However, it has a little bit of bump up toe where you can display your toes inside. So we'll go now to the fitting video of these Chelsea boots. Nice. We will see how these particular Chelsea boots will break in with my feet in the next coming days. So we'll go now to the fitting video. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe for more contents on leather boots and selvage denim. And if you haven't, click that notification bell, please do so that you will be informed of my latest posts or contents on this YouTube channel. If you have any comments on these boots, if anything you want to know, if anything that I miss in my description, please do so, as I will answer them one by one. So again, this is the Chelsea 3190 in 8.5D or regular width. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.